In this video, I will show you how to transfer money to Chime Bank Account. Let's say you have money in a separate bank account, but you want to transfer some or all of that money to your Chime Bank Account. To do this, open the Chime app on your phone and go to the tab that says Move Money. Next, click on Transfer from Other Banks, where it says Add Money from External Account. Transfer money in and out of Chime by linking an external account. Click on Link your external account. Chime uses Play to connect to your account, a linking service for banks. Click Continue. Now select the bank you want to transfer money from. You can scroll through the banks or use the search bar if your bank isn't visible. Enter your bank's username and password, then click Submit. You might need to verify. Choose an option to confirm. Once verified, you will see your bank account listed. Check it, confirm success, and click Continue. Click Continue again. And if prompted, click Confirm to verify your account. Now enter the amount you want to send from your external bank account to your Chime checking account. After entering the amount, click Transfer. Review the details. In this case, you are sending $10, available on February 19 from your external bank to your checking account. Confirm and it will inform you that the transfer is requested. With $10 set to be transferred on February 19, exactly 7 days from now. Keep in mind that the transfer may take up 7 days to process. After that period, your money should be successfully transferred to your Chime account. And that is how to transfer money to Chime Bank Account.